Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to create affiliate marketing website on GoDaddy. So as you can see right here, I am on my GoDaddy. So you can use the GoDaddy for the domain registrations. You can purchase and manage domain names, search for available domain names, or use tools to suggest alternatives, and then provide services for domain renewal, transfer, and privacy protection. And then here, what we're going to do is to search for a specific name for our domain. So for example, promote linked or just something promote. And then click on the search icon and you'd be directed to this section and you'll be able to see here different domain that you can purchase. Okay, so for example, this one you would like to purchase this domain. So you just have to simply click on that one and you'd be able to see this make it yours option. So just click on it, then click on the looks good keep going option at the bottom right. Okay, and then you'd be directed to the section. Then here you'd be able to see all of the amount that you need to pay if you want to include this in your purchase. Then after that, just click on the continue to cart and then just have to proceed to your payment method and then you'll be able to purchase this domain. Okay, so since I already purchased a domain, what we're going to do here is to go back to this section. Okay, and then what we're going to do now is to simply click on our profile at the top right and then go to my products. Okay, so once you're here, you'd be able to see here all of the products that you have purchased. So I have this domain right here, and then what we are going to do now is to set up a free website. So just simply click on the set up a free website right here, the top right. Okay, now what are some features your website needs? So I can select sell with an online store or something else. I'm just going to select something else and click on continue after that. And then what kind of website would you like? So I'm going to select right here photography, live coach. You can also use the search bar and type out. So I'm going to search for linked, so social media marketing. Then after that, just click on continue. Now what should we call your website? So you just have to type it right here, the name of your website. So this will be the name of your project. Then after that, just click on the continue option at the bottom right. Then here you just have to tell them a little about your business. So we'll take the info and use the AI to create a description for your website. So for example, I'm using this website to promote my affiliate link and then click on continue after that. Okay, so now that your website is ready, what we're going to do here is to link our affiliate link. Okay, so to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to add here all of the sections that we want to add to our website. So I want to add the content and the introduction as well, and then just click on the continue to my site. Okay, that's right. Then after that, you'll be directed now to your website where you can customize this promotion site. Okay, so here I'm going to show you on how you can add here your link. So for example, I'm going to use this get started button and add here my link. Okay, so let me just click on this one, and then at the right side you'll be able to see this different options. So we have the website, theme, and the settings. So I'm just going to select the website and then click on the get started option. And then here link to, so here we are going to select a website URL and then we are going to paste here our website URL or our affiliate account. So for example, on Timo, okay, I'm gonna use my affiliate account to add here in my GoDaddy. So let me just go back to Timo and then scroll down all the way to the bottom and then click on the affiliate and influencer option. And then here what we're going to do is to share our link or get our affiliate link. Okay, so to do that, just have to go to the affiliate section or go to the influencer section. Okay, so I'm going to click on the affiliate option and then click on the share to earn option. Or you can click on the invite affiliate option. So here I'm just going to copy the link and then go back to GoDaddy and then paste here the website URL and then click on the done option. Okay, so just simply click on the done button right here and then let us try to preview this one. And when I clicked on this button, we redirected to the affiliate link. Okay, so let me just click on this one, and as you can see, we have successfully linked that button to our Timo affiliate account. Okay, so next thing that we should do is to customize this website. So I hope you understand the concept and how you can actually connect it to your affiliate account. So right here, let me just change the cover media for this one. So in order for you to upload your own images, you just have to simply click on it, then go to the section right here into the settings at the right side of your screen. Then you just have to delete the default media and then upload your own. Okay, so you just have to drag and drop your images right here, or just simply click on the add image option. Okay, or you can also search for a specific image that you want to use from GoDaddy. Okay, so for example, this one, I would want to add an information or an instruction where my customers will be able to understand that this website is for affiliate links. Okay, so for example, this one, I'm going to change this, clicked the get started button, and then at the very top, I am going to add a brief discussion about the link. So for example, we are offering 20% discount, or if they clicked on the get started button, they'd be able to get a code and use it when they purchase products from that specific website. Okay, so right here, we are going to change the color as well. Okay, so take note that you can change the theme, and when you go to the settings, you just have to explore the settings. And if you want us to create a separate video about us discussing detailed information about GoDaddy, so you just have to leave your comment below. Okay, so you can also change here the message. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm going to add a brief discussion right here at the very top of our first section. Okay, so get 20% discount off after subscribing to my channel, so something like that. Okay, so after that, just click on the done button, and then when we try to preview this one, assuming that we already added here all of our affiliate links and someone follow the instructions, and they'd be able to get all of the discount that they need and then use our affiliate link. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.